I think the conditions are very nice. I was mostly on groomed trails, and there was hardly any ice, and I did see some rocks on some trails, and I avoided those trails. It's nice. It's not too crowded, and God, it's beautiful weather, and the conditions are pretty good.
So the condition, it's epic. There's very little crowd. When we came out, we got out here at 9:15 this morning, and the conditions, it was perfectly groomed. There was nobody out. There was not much ice. And this afternoon, it's gorgeous. I mean, it couldn't be better. This is spring skiing at its finest. And it's only February.
It is soft in spots, but still definitely icy. So the soft isn't that deep. Disney is pretty icy in certain spots, but Lincoln's okay. And even most of Disney's okay. We haven't been over to the Judah side yet. So it's fine. Yesterday afternoon, it got really icy by about 3 o'clock. So we kind of left the mountain. So I grew up in Southern California, so this has more snow and less ice because Southern California is mostly icy in my experience, not counting Mammoth. It's more icy than like Utah or something like that in my experience, but Sugar Bowl tends to have so much powder and so much snow that even where I know, having skied like Diamond Peak and some of the other places, that those are really icy. So far everywhere we've skied for most of the day at least has some slush and some soft snow on it, so it really hasn't been bad, but you still hit some skiddy spots.